My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Guys, what's up? Welcome back. Episode 10. Yeah, I'm correct. Okay. As you can see, the engine is in. I already started the headlights, but that's not important. Today, the movie, we're gonna put the engine in, hook up the wiring, the exhaust, all this stuff, and yeah, I can tell you now already, it runs sweet. The exhaust is on it. Now I can really hear the sound of the car, how it's gonna be, because before I never had the headers on, so it was an R32 with way too loud exhaust, or not an exhaust at all. So I'm stoked. I love the sounds. I'm happy because it's turning into a car, as you can see. So let's go. I'm not gonna keep you waiting, or maybe I am. Just one moment for the people who didn't describe or did still not follow me. Please pause this, go beneath, like, leave a comment. Always welcome, always fun, and make sure you follow our movies, because we're gonna get some new ones. Got big news. Yes, the engine is in. Check it out. Okay, I'm gonna show you footage later. You gotta wait one moment. So this episode, the engine is in. Sorry, I didn't have the footage when I was putting it in. The GoPro was dead, so yeah, not a lot of footage. I'm gonna give you the footage of getting the cables all hooked up, another start with the exhaust on it, so you get a better idea of the sound of it. The exhaust is not completely done, but we have new lambda sensors, the oxygen sensors new, so that's also going in and on this episode. And then if everything is there, there are still some packages left in Germany because of the coronavirus. They just don't get to here. They were sent the 18th of March. They're still not here, so I gotta be patient for that. So we do what we can do right now with the parts we have right now, and that's bing the engine. That's what we're gonna do today, this episode. Check it out. Let's start. We wanna hear that engine run, so let's start. Let's go. The question is, what do we need to get this engine running? Simple. Wiring loom and a monster, of course. What else?
Knallen. Die batterij.
Dat is plat. Tja, juist plat. Tja. So guys, thanks for watching. I see you guys next time. Bye.